OPPO actually has a rear screen too. Just one shot and one sticker can create such a super fun live photo. I have to say, OPPO Reno16's live feature is really comprehensive. If the live puzzle with one shot, 2 merges, and 3 breakout combos gives live photos vitality, then this time the live random stickers open up a world of creativity and interaction. You can add various stickers to the original live photo or even add another live photo, and it will automatically recognize and cut out the image. The resulting stickers can be simply scaled and repositioned to obtain a very interesting live photo. Not only can the stickers be freely edited, but they can also be added multiple times. So now with Reno16, live photos can be a dynamic travel journal, friendly interaction between friends, or playful moments with yourself. This kind of live log is really super fun. Also, take a look at the live sample shots this time. From the cover to the video, the image quality is highly consistent and truly clear. Every frame feels like a cover shot, especially with the live portrait being very realistic and natural. This is mainly thanks to Reno16's 240 million pixel main camera and ultralight imaging system. 240 million pixels on the main camera, 50 million pixels ultra-wide-angle, 50 million pixels periscope telephoto lens, and even the front camera is 50 million pixels. So it can not only output 25 million pixel ultra-clear live portraits in one click, but also still get high-definition and natural portrait shots at all focal lengths and even in low-light conditions. Additionally, many film filters are built in this time, and even the entire camera interface has the texture of a film camera. Especially the animation when clearing the film, it really has a nice feel. Therefore, a casual shot with big film looks just like an instant Polaroid shot, very vivid and natural with full CDD-style retro vibes. Coupled with the bursting smart flash, you can easily get live samples full of film feel and atmosphere. The flowing light film is even more interesting. It replicates the texture of an old camera's flowing light. The portrait samples are full of retro and storytelling vibes. The one I have here is the heartbeat colorway. To the naked eye, the back cover really looks like a floating planet. This naked eye 3D effect is really intense. I believe first-time viewers will definitely, like me, can't help but reach out to touch this design. It's really ingenious, an integrated cool-toned lens module with a lithium alloy middle frame. Reno16 remains exquisitely compact and upright as always. To better enable selfies, they specially made a small screen this time. This small screen sticks to the back cover, allowing you to preview in real time when taking selfies with the rear camera. It's very convenient. Not only that, you can change different wallpapers, including setting live GIFs directly on it. You can even hang it on your bag as a personalized decoration through accessories. It's really so interesting. High-definition live shots produce textured masterpieces on the go. The live sticker feature is full of fun. I have to say, when it comes to creative live features, it really has to be OPPO Reno16.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.